How to fix Snapchat map not working. So if the map of your Snapchat is not working and you want to fix that, then watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm in the map section of Snapchat, from where you'll be able to see your own map as well as your friend's map. So if this is not working, then that might be due to various reasons. The first reason is due to your weak internet connection. So if your internet connection is weak or it's not working, then also you want to be able to see your location or map and also your friend's location. That's the first thing. And the second thing is, if you haven't enabled your location on Snapchat, then also this problem may occur. So for that, you just can go back and you have to open up two apps. Here press and hold over the Snapchat and go for eye icon at the right of the corner, and over here you have to go for the permissions and make sure the location over here is allowed. By doing that also you'll be able to fix your problem. This is the thing. Now the another thing is, you just can go back and you can open up to storage and you just can clear the cache at the lower button. By simply clearing the cache, you'll be able to refresh your Snapchat application, and with this refreshment you'll be able to fix your problem easily. That's the thing. So with this fix, you'll be able to fix if your Snapchat map is not working. I hope this video was helpful. If you still have some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.